Good morning. I'm Linda, and I'm just out here setting up my live for my channel because I do a live every day. Good morning. I'm Linda, and welcome to my channel another time. I'm just out here setting up my live as I normally do every morning, and I was thinking, hold on a minute, this is too loud. It's better. Now I'm out front. Might as well just take you while I go feed the animals. Anyway, I was thinking I need some more space. I have a room that my grandchildren used, but they used to come out a lot more than they do now. And so now it's a room that just takes up all their stuff. And I need space. I need a studio for my recording. I need a place for my craft stuff, and I just need a place. And so it makes no sense just to leave it sitting there. I still need a place for them to sleep and a guest room, and it makes no sense. Hi, little fish. How you doing, baby? I need just to leave it, excuse me, sitting there not being useful. So, excuse me, I'm going to take you along as I convert this room into my studio / craft room / guest room, whatever. And I hope you enjoy it because it's going to be a lot of work. This is what I have to work with. I've started painting. And I pulled out a whole lot of stuff. Still a lot in here. And with a new room, we have to do a new floor. We did the floors all throughout the house, but we never did the bedrooms. So I'm doing this bedroom as well. And that'll be one bedroom out of the way. And we're laying it over top of the old floor because that's what we did in the whole house. And it'll need to be level with the floor in the hallway. So that's what I'm going to do. This floor is pretty scratched up, old, dated, and so we're going to go ahead and put the vinyl clip flooring in.
2,000 years later.
I have the room painted. I have all of the floor done except for two little pieces over there. And I'll finish that in a little bit. But I want to get started on this bed because I have junk laying everywhere. Look, all back here. I've got it in the hallway. I can't deal with it. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get this bed built. We'll see how it goes. If I can use this dresser so that I don't have to build drawers over here somehow, I'm gonna attempt to do that because I like to repurpose things. I'll incorporate it in the build if I possibly can. If I can't, then I'll build my own drawers. So I'm building this bed, this Murphy bed, and I don't know why, but it's intimidating me a little bit because of the hardware that I purchased. My plans and the hardware plans were two different plans, and so now I've got to make it work because I already had my lumber cut, my plywood cut for my plans, not the hardware. And the hardware was a second thought. So now I've got my boards cut out here for this frame. I'm going to go ahead and pull them through the window. It's so cold outside. It's cold in the garage. It's cold everywhere. What a good time to be building something. I had one sheet of plywood cut in, I believe it was 8-inch strips. the lengthways. Yeah. And they are for the bed. The 12-inch I had cut is for the cabinet. This will be the frame. I don't know if you can see. So this is going to be the frame. I've got to finish it. And I think I'm going to go ahead and just make it the way that I had it planned. And then if I can't adjust the hardware to my plans, then I'll have to improvise on the hardware, because the hardware was less money than the plywood, and I'm not having plywood recut. So that's how the bed is going to go. And what I'm going to do is that dresser that I have over there, I am going to build that in, and then try to have a dresser over here as well. I may have to make one. I'm taking this full-size bed frame. I have another one over here. They fit together. I'm using this instead of making the wooden frame that the mattress sits on. Here I'm drilling holes, and then I'm taking bolts and bolting this metal frame to the wooden frame so that it holds in place quite well. And then I'll bolt it together down the middle as well, so it gives it additional strength. I've created a ledge for the frame to sit on so that it's in the right position. The frame is completed, and now I need to build the cabinet that the bed is going to go into. I'll start off with my boards and make sure the bed fits into the cabinet. I have the framing done, and I used door hinges instead of the hardware that I purchased because I could not get it to fit. And the door hinges work quite well. I just don't have the hydraulic lift. As you can see, I have 3 hinges, and I'm going to use cabinet doors instead of a solid piece on the back of the bed like most of them do, because it's so heavy as it is, and I'm not going to be able to lift it up. I've also drilled a large hole into each side of the cabinet into the bed frame and used a large bolt to hold the bed in place. I'm going to build this dresser in and the desk over here on the right-hand side. And though I didn't record a lot of this, I did take pictures. I've put some shelves in, painted, and I had to cut the dresser down to fit. So now I need to paint the desk, finish the dresser. And you can see my idea is coming to fruition. It's really looking nice. I've put this wooden trim on each of the shelves to bulk them up. And I'm going to be doing similar to the dresser. The bed is finished and up. We're getting ready to build the doors. The shelves are finished. The dresser isn't quite finished. I'm still going to put this here on the inside so that it matches the shelves of these drawers. So it'll go like that. I just haven't got to it yet. And most everything's painted. There's some touch-up paint to do. We have to finish. I did decide to put a desk over here with shelves over here. And I've only given it one coat. I had a desk that fit perfectly there rather than building a bunch of stuff. So I went ahead and put the desk there. And now we're going to build the shelves. Or the doors. I'm going to end the video here, and I want to thank you for watching. Please come back and watch the next part so that you can see me finish this room. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below because it really does help the video and help my channel out. Thank you.